Then, dear students, there's next come the autotrophic mode of nutrition. तमे जानिଛ the algae are very important, and their economical importance or the importance of algae is due to the presence of a very peculiar character, or they are able to synthesize their own food material due to presence of a very important pigment, or that is called your photosynthetic pigment, and that is called your chlorophyll. Okay, so what are the different elements or different pigments which is found in different kinds of algae? Okay, so the first point, the chlorophyll. So there are different types of chlorophylls are also present, like your chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, and chlorophyll E. पिले मन रखि तो chlorophyll जो लिख स्मॉल ए रे ताको रिप्रेजेंट करियो, A, B, C, and D and E होची तमरो स्मॉल लेटर रे रखिवा दरकार. Okay, then there is another pigment which is called carotenoids, means chlorophyll सहित there are other associated pigments are there, and which is called your carotenoids. So carotenoids represent होची केमिति ना carotene हे पारे बा जनले xanthophyll हे पारे. So these are the two pigments which also associate with your photosynthetic which is associated with your chlorophyll, and they are also photosynthetic in nature. There is another pigment which is called phycobilin or bilivectin. Okay, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin are the two component or the two pigment which is also associated with your chlorophyll pigment or carotenoids. Okay, so these are also called your photosynthetic pigments. Okay, and coming to the plant body which synthesize their own food material, and it can store the food material in the form of polysaccharide, and that is mostly or it is chiefly tamara starch. Okay, and there is other form of starch, or the other products can be used as reserve food material. So in case of chlorophyceae जोटा कि तमरो green algae belly कहा जाय पिलेने, so in that case starch and oil is the reserve food material. Then there is another class which is called your xanthophyceae. In case of xanthophyceae, that is oil and leucine is the product or the food product which is stored in the algae. Okay, then phaeophyceae, that is your laminarin and mannitol and oil. Okay, so laminarin is one of the component, mannitol is another component, and oil is another component, and these are the material which is stored in case of a class which is called your phaeophyceae. Okay, then rhodophyceae रे तमरो Floridian starch, and next होची तमरो galactane. Okay, galactane is another product, or that is a carbohydrate product which is found in case of rhodophyceae माने red algae बोली कहा जाय. Okay, अच्छा next point होची cyanophyceae रे तमरो that is cyanophycean starch and protein. Okay, so these are the elements, like starch तो तमे जानिछो carbohydrate, and protein is the protein product. Okay, that is your cyanophyceae means तमरो BGA group. And there is another class which is called your bacillophyceae, and in bacillariophyceae, that is your chrysolaminarin and leucosin and oil. These are the reserve food material in case of different types of different classes of algae. Okay,